Meaning of demonstration.
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 Demonstration. The term demonstration refers to the act of showing or proving a concept, theory, or skill through an example or experiment. It can be used in various fields, such as science, politics, and education. The result of a demonstration is typically the provision of evidence and validation of a claim or argument. A successful demonstration can convince others of the truth of the matter being demonstrated and inspire further research or action. Demonstrations are often used to showcase new technologies, protest against injustices, or teach complex concepts in an accessible way.